Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you my Indeed Flex review. Is this flexible work platform legit? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So Indeed Flex has become a popular choice for people looking to pick up flexible shifts without long-term commitments, complicated applications, or unreliable gig listings. Now, this is designed to connect workers with real employers, offering hourly jobs across hospitality, retail, warehousing, and even events, giving users a simple way to earn extra income on their own schedule. Now, the app is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. You can browse shifts, filter by pay, distance, or job type, and apply instantly with just a tap of your finger. One of the strongest features is how transparent the listings are. Every shift shows the hourly rate, location, role details, required skills, and employer reviews, so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Now, for students, part-timers, or anyone wanting control over when they work, this saves time and avoid those surprises. Now, Indeed Flex also includes helpful tools like digital onboarding, training modules, quick background checks, and a built-in wallet that can track your earnings. Many users appreciate the pay is consistent and often weekly, which makes the platform feel more reliable than those typical gig apps. Shifts can fill quickly, but once you build a reputation through positive ratings, you unlock better and higher paying opportunities. There are some downsides though, so availability depends heavily on your location, and some markets have fewer shifts than others. Also, since roles are shift based, it's not a guaranteed source of full-time hours, but for most users, the flexibility, transparency, and the ease of use outweigh those limitations. But overall, Indeed Flex is a legit, dependable platform for finding flexible work quickly. If you want a simple app that lets you earn money on your terms with clear listings, fast onboarding, and trustworthy employers, Indeed Flex is absolutely worth trying.